Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc Legal Department's Vice Chairman Advocate Rabi Khan has called on Manipur High Court Advocate General Loktak Development Authority Chairman along with other employees who were politically appointed during previous government to resign voluntarily. He also urged relevant authority to look into the matter. Speaking during a press conference held at Congress Bhavan on BT Road today, Advocate Rabi Khan asserted that the employees appointed politically during previous government, especially statutory body employees, to resign voluntarily as the state is currently under President's rule. He maintained that Manipur High Court's Advocate General was also appointed under Constitution's Article 165 during the previous government, while explaining that the Advocate General and his team, along with other statutory body, should be dissolved. Advocate Rabi Khan further highlighted that Mpcc legal team has submitted a memorandum to the governor regarding the matter.
Manipur High Court learned Advocate General ki post sichu political post samne state amagi government aduna madu Advocate General khangani aduga government thauja laingai matam du phawoigani magi akaknaba matam leite isn't when government adu leitraba matam tadi masa mathanda resign to kodem hauji laiba pot sichu madugi constitution du ki makhada ma ek sin e bani article 165 ki makhada ana government asi leitre that means proper government asi Minister Biren losing up government adudi February ki tang mapan 2025 ta resign to lay ki drabanina Advocate General haiba amdi Advocate General adugi makhada laiba additional Advocate General assistant Advocate General deputy Advocate General magi team madu pulap lay roi do bane adu still haujiksu madu laiba ki mami high court ta tari masi oiba targari kana gumana madu masana khangna resign to dabida adum paisel level laiba targadi public ki office adu lana sinaba misuse oina to thokani mano governor ne action local kutak remove to thokadam lawthok pi